Hey friend, in this video I will share my main reasons why I started and still running this YouTube channel, and maybe you would consider to start one as well. So I should start with Instagram. So I started to use YouTube to answer my most asked questions what I got on Instagram DMs, and yeah, YouTube is a nice way to prepare answers to commonly asked questions. Basically send information to anyone. You can just keep those videos unlisted if you don't want to publish those, and that is just free hosting platform for your answers. If your family member asks few times in a month how to reset Wi-Fi password, record video, host that on YouTube and so on. That will be a nice way to practice your on-camera representation skills, and that will help you later. Next one in my list of reasons why I started the YouTube channel and you would like to do as well is social presence. Social presence nowadays is very important. Yeah, YouTube is a little bit overkill. Twitter, for example, or even Instagram is easier to manage, but YouTube is a really nice place to show your skills, especially if you are ready to create tutorials. And you know, if you are really great developer, but you are sitting in somewhere in the corner and doing, I don't know, great projects, and if no one knows about them, and likely you will be very successful. But if you are average developer with great communication skills and good social presence, and you are all around social networks, so most likely you will be more successful than that really smart but unknown guy. I'm counting myself as average developer, but I'm getting in DMs on Instagram, also in emails, offers to join projects. Just because I'm showing my work, I'm streaming my work and so on. Talking about streaming, so live streams, that is other thing to do. If you are not into vlogs, if you are not into reviews, but probably you would like to live stream. Currently everyone works from home and remotely, and part of us kind of feels that would like to have more communication with like-minded people, and those co-working live streams really helps to do that. I'm streaming my work on Twitch and YouTube. That is a nice way to show and share your work, your projects, and also find new friends, communicate with like-minded people, and just have virtual co-working environment. Also, I'm doing tech reviews on my YouTube channel, and maybe you will be interested to do that as well. I'm doing tech reviews, but from programmer's perspective. Back when I bought Mac Mini, I found zero information about Mac Mini from developer's perspective. Currently, situation is better, but back then I found no one, so I created my Mac Mini review video, also 16-inch MacBook Pro review video, and yeah, I'm doing those time to time. Just some kind of developer setup videos and so on. I like to do those, and yeah, maybe you would like to share your setup on YouTube as well. Those videos usually are kind of popular. I'm distracting my coworker from sleeping. It will be nice to show your head here, but okay, if you like to show your butt on videos, I'm fine with that. Probably I will do review for that monitor. Let me know if you are interested. That 32-inch 4K Samsung M7. Actually, that's a nice monitor for programmers. Let me know if you are interested. And yeah, I'm doing time to time some keyboard reviews. My typing speed is horrible, but I still anyways, I like good keyboards, and yeah, I'm doing reviews time to time. One more is coming soon, probably one microphone review is coming soon. Yeah, basically gear what I'm using in my day-to-day work. I already forgot on which point we are, doesn't matter, but vlogs is my kind of passion in YouTube. For example, I was a big fan of Casey Neistat. Currently he's not almost never posting, but yeah, when he posts I like to watch his videos. I do not pretend that I'm Casey Neistat, but oh, wait a minute. But hey, I have longboard. I have longboard, and time to time I'm doing vlogs. So I really like vlogs. I really like to rewatch my vlogs later. I never rewatch my tech reviews videos. And yeah, do not pretend that I am or ever will be on Casey Neistat level. But yeah, I really enjoy those type of videos. And maybe you would like to create those vlogs for yourself only as well, if you are not feeling good about posting videos online. So, and probably last but not least point, why to create YouTube channel, why to post videos is money. My channel is relatively small, that's not big channel, but anyways, my channel generates around 2,500 in a year on ad revenues, about the same in advertisement links, on merch, yeah. You can get code hats if you like, and yeah, all that stuff. So that generates some money. And if your channel is relatively big and successful, you can sell courses, do whatever. So that can be a business, that can grow into the real full-time business, if that is something that you like to do. So yeah, the best time to start YouTube channel was back when Casey Neistat drove around on longboard on New York, so few years ago, but next best time is today. So why not start 2022 with YouTube channel? Consider that and give it a try. And you don't need really fancy gear. I have of course kind of big camera here, but you can start just with your phone. Just point your phone to you, talk to your camera, record video, post it on YouTube and see what will come next. Okay, thank you for watching, see you on next one, bye bye.